All right, now we're going to loop over here to the Songbird garden. All the times I've been here, I haven't heard songbirds, but I've seen birds. They just haven't been singing very much. They got all kinds of cool little bird houses and stuff back here for them. All right, here's our songbird area. Plenty of bird feeders. Plenty of squirrels, of course. I think the squirrels eat the bird food more than the birds eat it. I love how they have all kinds of benches and whatnot for you to sit down, take in the moment.